Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to blend two nature images seamlessly in Photoshop using some easy and effective tools. This is a beginner-friendly trick that every designer should know. Let's get started. Step 1. Import images. First, open Photoshop and import both nature images. You can go to File, Open, and select the photos you want to blend. Step 2. Place and arrange layers. Now drag one image onto the other. Make sure both images are visible in the Layers panel. Reposition the top image a bit, wherever the blend looks natural. Step 3. Add Layer Mask. Click on the Add Layer Mask button for the top image. This will let us blend the images without deleting any part of them permanently. Step 4. Use Gradient Tool. Select the Gradient tool by pressing G. Make sure the gradient is set to black to white. Now click and drag from left or right across the image where you want to create the blend. You can do this multiple times to get a smoother transition. Step 5. Use Soft Brush for detailing. If you need more control, choose the Brush tool, select black color, reduce the opacity, and gently paint over the layer mask to refine the blend. Step 6. Color Match. To make the blend more realistic, go to Image Adjustments, Match Color. Set the source image and adjust tones to make both images match better. And that's it. Your nature blend is ready. You can use this technique for landscapes, posters, thumbnails, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next creative video.